Hello my dear students, welcome to Chemistry in Minutes. The question now appearing on your screen is exercise question 4.9. The question is, a reaction is first order in A and second order in B. First, write the differential rate equation. Second, how is the rate affected on increasing the concentration of B 3 times? And third, how is the rate affected when the concentration of both A and B are doubled? तो एक रिएक्शन हमें बता रखी है विच इज फर्स्ट ऑर्डर इन रिएक्टेंट ए एंड सेकंड ऑर्डर इन रिएक्टेंट बी. तो हमसे डिफरेंशियल रेट इक्वेशन पूछी है. इसके अलावा सेकंड पार्ट है इसमें कि बी की कंसंट्रेशन को 3 टाइम्स इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं तो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन क्या हो जाएगी. और थर्ड पार्ट है कि ए और बी दोनों की कंसंट्रेशन को डबल कर दिया जाए तो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन क्या होगी. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग दिस. सॉल्यूशन टू एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन 4.9. तो रेट लॉ इक्वल टू के concentration of A multiplied by concentration of B raised to the power 2, as the order of reaction is 1 in terms of A and order of reaction is 2 in terms of B. So this will be the rate law and this is our equation number 1. Now the first part, we are asked to write the differential rate equation. So if we are asked a differential rate equation when the order of reaction is given, then we will consider it as a elementary reaction or single step reaction, because we cannot state the differential rate of equation of a complex reaction by knowing its order, as the stoichiometric coefficients and the power to which concentration terms are raised are different. So in case of complex reaction, this question will be not meaningful. So we are considering it as a elementary reaction. Now the differential rate equation are equal to minus dA concentration of A by dt equal to minus 1 upon 2 d concentration of B upon dt. So this will be the differential rate equation for the reaction. Now the second part, here we will have R equal to Ka concentration of A concentration of B to the power 2 from equation 1. Now when the concentration of B is increased to 3 times, we will have R1 equal to Ka 3 times of B square. Now R1 equal to 9 Ka concentration of A concentration of B square. So now R1 can be written as 9R. So we can write the rate of reaction becomes 9 times the initial rate of reaction. on increasing the concentration of B to 3 times. Now the third part. For the third part, R equal to K concentration of A, concentration of B square from equation 1. From equation 1. Now R2 equal to K twice of concentration of A into twice of concentration of B square. So R2 equal to 8 K concentration of A, concentration of B square. So R2 is equal to 8 R. So from here we can state the same statement that the rate of reaction becomes 8 times the initial rate of reaction on increasing the concentration of, or we can write on doubling the the concentration of A and B. So this will be the answer to the question.